Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your language journey with LingoBee step by step clearly. Step 1. Create an account on the LingoBee platform. Visit the LingoBee website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields, including your email and password. Once registered, log in to access the dashboard. Step 2. Choose your target language. Browse through the extensive list of languages available on LingoBee. Select the one that aligns with your goals. Step 3. Set your learning goals. Decide whether you want to focus on reading, writing, speaking, or a combination of skills. This will help tailor your learning experience. Step 4. Explore the content library. Dive into a range of resources, including articles, videos, and quizzes. Make sure to engage with content that matches your skill level. Step 5. Schedule daily practice sessions. Consistency is key in language learning. Set aside specific times each day dedicated to your studies. Step 6. Utilize the interactive features. Participate in language exchange sessions with native speakers. Practice conversation in real time to improve fluency. Step 7. Review and track your progress. Use the built-in tracking tools to monitor your achievements. Adjust your learning plan based on what works best for you. Step 8. Connect with the LingoBee community. Join forums and discussion groups to share insights and ask questions. Engaging with others can enhance your learning experience. Step 9. Challenge yourself with advanced materials. As you progress, seek out more complex content to push your boundaries. This will help solidify your skills and boost your confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.